from our world tour, tapos nag-kami tayo. Tapos sinong out ninyo ang concert ni Tita Payne. Diba? Grabe talaga. Yes, that's absolutely right. And thank you so much, guys, because we feel all your love and we just wanna give back to love handful and more. Kaya thank you so much. Yes, and syempre, hindi lang Blooms namin yung nandito tonight. We also have Zayas, Bullets, Dolores, Saucers, Flowers, and 80s. So thank you so much for coming tonight. Yes, and tonight we celebrate OPM, Original Pinoy Music. Basic ang meaning yung OPM, alam niyo ba kung ano? Original Panalo Music. Diba? And syempre, thank you to Tita Pure Gold. Kasi diba, thank you for allowing us po, us Filipino artists po, to shine. Oras natin to, oras ng OPM to, moment natin to, so let's make the most out of it. Yes, kaya naman, let's make this a grand time tonight, mga ka-Pure Gold! Please light up your blue billions, let's spread good vibes throughout. Let's go! Yung makasama lang namin kayo tonight, sobrang blessing na sa amin noon.